Hey there! So, here's the problem we're tackling today. You have a 1000 gigabytes disk devsd with one partition, devsd1, that's 60% full. You want to create a new small partition before this one without deleting any data on the disk. The partition table is MS-DOS and the partitions are extension 4. Quite a puzzle, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. If the partition numbers are all you're concerned about, you can recreate the partition table entries. Using tools like lsblk and disk, you can manage this task efficiently. By carefully adjusting the partition numbers and sizes, you can create the new partition, devs1, before the existing one, which would shift to devs2. It's all about meticulous partition table manipulation without touching the actual data on the disk. Remember, caution is key here. To sum it up, recreating partition entries can effectively renumber the partitions without affecting the data itself. By following the outlined steps and being mindful of the details, you can achieve the partition layout you desire. And with that, we wrap up our little tech journey. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your favorite partition pawn. Happy partitioning!